Made a quick stop at the Amazon bin store. Let's see how we did. Welcome back to the channel, guys. Just got home, picked up this little Yinzer back here from school. She's hanging out, waiting for her sisters to get off the bus, right? Waiting for your sisters to get off the bus? Yeah. So she's back there waiting. She's playing with her blocks. And I want to show you what we picked up at the Amazon bin store today. I had a few minutes to kill before I picked her up at daycare, and I decided to stop. It was definitely more stock this time than before. There's still some of the old same stuff that we found the last 2 times that we're in there. But that's okay. We did find some good items here. We found some new items too. We also found some of the same items we found before that we picked up, and I'll explain why. One of the first things we grabbed was this Squad. It's a bridesmaid bachelorette fanny pack, brand new. Picked this up. I'm gonna show you everything that was $1 first, and once I get to the $5 stuff, I'll let you guys know. But this was $1, brand new. I figured, man, stuff like this will move. Somebody's gonna be looking for this. And I figure for $1, hey, if we sell for $4.99, we make $1 or $2 on it. Next, I found this in the dollar bin. I mean, I just said I wasn't gonna tell you, but yeah, dollar bin. It's a poppet case though. It's a silicone case with the poppets. I think he said that all the poppet stuff was gonna be $5, but he only gave this to me for $1. It's for the iPhone 12 Pro Max. Actually really cool, multicolor. Really neat item for $1. Poppet stuff does sell. Next, we got a box of sinus relief. This is, I'm not even sure. Xylitol has 60 packets. No idea what you do. There's a free sinus rinse bottle offer. Large volume and low pressure saline nasal irrigation. Sounds really crazy. 60 packets. Brand new, it's still open, or still sealed. Expires in 2024. These sell for about 20 to 30 bucks. So good little pickup there. You want to say hi while you're building? No? Okay. You don't, can you just wave? She's not really in the mood to talk right now. Next, Proud Panda running belt. As you know, I picked one of these up the last time. I thought it said Proud Grandpa. I was completely wrong. So got 2 of these, changed the quantity, and I'm all done. Next, another bottle of Sleep Easy right here. Pick this up, same bottle we picked up last time too, so I'm going to change the quantity. These ones sell for about $6.99 to $10. Also, it's a very easy shipper. I mean, it's lightweight, so 60 capsules in there. This I shouldn't have a problem moving this. Next, picked up 3 more Trump flags. Everything political sells. Anything with president sells. Past, future. Any type of politician stuff usually moves. These are brand new sealed Trump flag. I gotta get the other ones listed, but I have a stack downstairs that we found there also. So for $1 each, can't beat it. Like I said, even if you sell it for $4 to $5, you're still making a profit, and every dollar counts. To stay on the political bandwagon here, which we're not gonna get into political talk, we picked up this Baden flag, 2020 Baden flag, brand new sealed, same way. Everything like that sells. And I promise this is the last political thing for this video. Trump face mask. I'm going to include these. I'm probably not even going to list them. I'm going to include them with some of the random Trump flag orders. Just toss them in there. But all brand new sealed. The only reason I'm going to include them in with some of the Trump flag orders is I don't think I have as many Trump masks as I do flags. One of the last things I picked up that was the same as the last time was this trampoline cooling sprinkler kit right here. It has all the hoses. You hook this up to the top of your sprinkler, and it will keep your trampoline cool during the summer. So spray some water out there, mist it all around. Should be cool. I think we have about 5 of these though. Sorry about that noise, guys. There was a bus going by. All the kids are getting out of school right now, so I know it's almost Christmas, but I picked up St. Patrick's Day cookie cutter set. St. Patrick's Day cookie cutter set, still sealed. I'm not sure how many are in here though, so I may have to open up the box just to see how many are actually in here, because it doesn't say. Or if I can find it on Amazon, that way I'll know. But no, it does not tell me how many are in here, but it feels like there's a decent amount. Next thing we found, I keep hearing things again. Maybe there are ghosts, like I think Angie commented that there was ghosts. I think maybe there is. Who knows? The lighting's horrible too. But I picked up this TheraTears Sterilid eyelid cleanser. Really, really odd thing to find. But everything's brand new sealed. I did find an expiration date on it. I thought, oh yeah, expires 2/15 of 2023. I actually didn't look this up yet because part of me thinks it went with a set, but maybe not. But we're gonna look it up. Actually, I'm gonna look it up right now. It looks like it goes for about 15 bucks for this little bottle. So good little profit there once it sells. The next thing we picked up, 9 packs of these Disney Princess 2-pack pen set, all sealed. So that was really good. These sell for about 7 to 9 bucks each. I have to put these away before my kids see them because I think they're gonna want them really, really badly. And before anybody comments that I should give the kids the pen, they have thousands of pens downstairs. But if they don't sell, it's theirs. One of the last $1 items that I picked up were these reusable snack bags. These are gonna be personal use. My wife likes to use these for the kids' lunches. 8 bags in each box. We picked up 2 boxes, so I think she'll be happy that I actually got these. And the last item, it's going to be for personal use, was a 2-pack of Dawn Free and Clear. 2 24-ounce bottles. These are good. We use these, especially the Free and Clear. We really don't use the lemon scent, but I think for the price we got it at, we'll be happy. So that was everything I found today. Not a huge haul. We spent $31 on everything. 2 things were in the $5 bin, or 3 of the things were in the $5 bin. Now I'm not even sure what was in the $5 bin. You know, these were $5, so these really weren't too great of a deal, but we'll use them. One of the 4 packs of pens was in the $5 bin. The other ones were in the $1 bin. And then there was one other thing that was in the $5 bin. I'm not sure what it was, but there were $16 items, 3 $5 items. So, but let us know how you think we did. If there's questions, comments, there's a bus coming up behind me again. Hold on for the loud noise. Yeah. Let us know how you think we did. Comment below. Leave a like. Hit that thumbs up. And hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. So until next time, guys, remember, stay safe, stay healthy, and keep picking. Bye.